The best EMA trading strategy. 5, 8, and 13 EMA trading strategy. This is how to day trade successfully. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly when to enter high probability trade using the exponential moving averages analysis. As usual, we'll have plenty of practical examples. The idea is to fully understand this wonderful trading strategy and to make the most out of it. If you want more videos more often, please smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. A very important point before we start. Everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading, and crypto, because price action stays relatively consistent across different assets, so we're going to go very in-depth in this video. The combination of 5, 8, and 13 bar exponential moving averages offers a perfect fit for day trading strategies. You need to follow proper strategies to be a successful trader when it comes to trading. Selecting appropriate trading strategies enables making constant profitable trading positions and reduces the number of losing trades. Every successful trader who participates in the financial market must follow specific strategies to deal with the price movement. However, there are many strategies you can find by surfacing the internet. All of them do not involve the same potentiality, profitability, or complete method. This video describes the 5-8-13 EMA trading strategy, one of the best absolute methods for trading. What are the best indicators in stocks, crypto, and forex trading? When you want to define the best indicators, you have to know what this tool is. Indicators are mathematical terms that work with market data from various angles and show the market condition. Trading indicators work with several factors such as historical data, market patterns, price action, participants' actions, news events, etc. Indicators show results in the price charts or an independent window. It's common among financial traders to create trading strategies by combining trading indicators and tools. You can group indicators into 4 sections such as volatility indicators, trend indicators, momentum indicators, and volume indicators. And now, what is 5, 8, and 13 EMA? Moving averages are one of the best indicators for the financial market. You can use the moving average indicator for analyzing several financial markets such as forex, stocks, and commodities. You can calculate moving averages by opening or closing candles of specific periods. Moreover, you can customize the periods of moving averages. Easy applications and unique features make this indicator so popular. EMA, or exponential moving average, is one kind of moving average that shows the most satisfactory results to identify trends. 5, 8, and 13 are the different period measures of EMA signal lines. In our strategies, the red one is EMA 5, the blue is EMA 8, and the green is EMA 13. What is the best strategy with 5, 8, and 13 EMA combinations? Trading strategies depend on traders' skills and expectations. For example, a short-term trader may seek a trading strategy that will enable frequent trading positions. A long-term trader may seek a trading strategy that allows them to catch and hold trades for longer periods. 3 different periods, 5, 8, and 13 EMA will help you to identify trends at the beginning when it starts to form. It works fine at any time frame chart of the financial assets. You can create a complete grading strategy by using these EMA signal lines. For more accuracy, you can combine these EMA signal lines with other technical indicators such as parabolic SAR, MACD, or RSI. Short-term trading strategy. In our short-term trading strategy, we use the combination of 5, 8, and 13 EMA and parabolic SAR. This strategy will work fine in the hourly chart of any market. We suggest choosing currency pairs or trading assets that involve sufficient volatility if you want to make frequent trading positions. Colors are different for EMA signal lines. 5-period EMA is red, 8-period EMA is blue, and 13-period EMA is green. When the price movement shifts to a bullish phase, the red EMA will first cross above the other two, then the blue EMA will cross above the green EMA. When both the red and blue EMA signal lines cross above the green EMA, it indicates fully bullish price movement on the asset price. The exact opposite crossover occurs between the EMA signal lines when the price movement shifts to a bearish trend. Parabolic SAR indicates the trends by signal dots. Those dots change states and continue to appear on the same side till the trend remains intact. Bullish trade setup. Enter buy orders when these conditions are true. First, the red 5 EMA line crosses above the green 13 EMA line and blue 8 EMA line. Second, the blue 8 EMA line crosses above the green 13 EMA line. Third, the parabolic SAR dot appears below price candles. Check all these conditions are true, then place a buy order. Put an initial stop loss will be below the recent swing low with a buffer of 5 pips. An appropriate risk-reward ratio tends to be anything greater than 1:3. Bearish trade setup. Enter sell orders when these conditions are true. First, the red 5 EMA line crosses below the green 13 EMA line and blue 8 EMA line. Second, the blue 8 EMA line crosses below the green 13 EMA line. Third, the parabolic SAR dot appears above price candles. Check all these conditions are true, then place a sell order. Put an initial stop loss will be above the recent swing high with a buffer of 5 pips. An appropriate risk-reward ratio tends to be anything greater than 1:3. The long-term trading strategy. We use MACD in combination with 5, 8, and 13 EMA lines in our long-term trading strategy. EMA lines will act the same as the short-term strategy. This strategy works fine in any time frame chart. Bullish trade setup. Enter buy order when. First, a bullish crossover occurs between the EMA signal lines. Second, the blue signal line crosses above the red signal line, and both lines are heading toward the upside in the MACD indicator window. Third, MACD histogram bars appear above the middle line of the MACD window. While its red line crossing above the zero level, it is an indication that price is pushing higher and does make sense to enter a buy. The initial stop loss will be below the recent swing low. Close the buy position when. First, MACD histogram bars appear below the middle line. Or second, the red 5 EMA line crosses below other EMA lines. Bearish trade setup. First, a bearish crossover occurs between the EMA signal lines. Second, the blue signal line crosses below the red signal line, and both lines are heading toward the downside in the MACD indicator window. Third, MACD histogram bars appear below the middle line of the MACD window. While its red line crossing below the zero level, it is an indication that price is pushing lower and does make sense to enter a sell. The initial stop loss will be above the recent swing high. Close the sell position when. First, MACD histogram bars appear above the middle line. Or second, the red 5 EMA line crosses above other EMA lines. This should be simple enough. Or, in this video, I've included a template with the system that you can simply upload to your chart, and it will automatically plot all these indicators perfectly on your charts, so there's nothing for you to worry about. Get the download link on the description. Here are other examples of how to trade the market using the combination of 5, 8, and 13 EMA lines to fully understand this wonderful strategy and to make the most out of it. Finally, no strategy gives a 100% profitability guarantee at all times. We suggest following money and trade management rules when trading with these strategies, besides practicing these at demo trading before applying them on actual trading. As always, if you learned something new, or if you want more videos more often, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave us a like to show your support. See you next time.